Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about Model 6, getting around on different means of transport. Well, without further ado, let's begin our lesson today. Lesson objective. Pupils would be able to fill in the blanks with at least 5 answers correctly based on the text on different means of transport. Part 1. Let's read. Please repeat after me. Motorbike, motorbike. Number 2, wheel, wheel. Number 3, taxi, taxi. Number 4, comfortable, comfortable. Now let's read the text together. Please bear in mind that you need to answer some questions based on the text. Therefore, you need to stay focused, okay? A tuk-tuk looks like a motorbike with 3 wheels. The driver sits in the front and the 2 to 3 people can sit in the back. Many tourists take tuk-tuks in Thailand. They can be faster than taxis. Riding in tuk-tuks is fun and exciting too. So based on the text, we know that tuk-tuk has got wheels and tourists take it. Gondolas are long boats. In the past, people used them in Venice, Italy, to get from one place to another. Gondolas are very slow. Riding in a gondola isn't very comfortable, but tourists love it. So based on the text, we know that gondola is a kind of boat. It hasn't got wheels, it's slow, and tourists take it. People ride snowmobiles on snow. Snowmobiles haven't got wheels. They have got skis. They can go very fast. Snowmobile drivers have to wear a helmet and a very warm clothes. It can get very cold on a snowmobile. So based on the text, we know that snowmobile it hasn't got wheels and driver has to wear warm clothes. Next, we will move on to part 2, writing. Lesson objective. Pupils would be able to write at least 6 sentences on the most suitable transportation to visit a grandmother who is sick. The question says, you are going to visit your grandmother who is sick in Johor. Choose one means of transportation that is most suitable for you and your family. Write at least 80 words. Saya ulang, awak akan melawat nenek awak yang sakit di Johor. Jadi pilih satu kenderaan untuk membawa kamu dan keluarga. Okay? So dia kata tulis sekurang-kurangnya 80 patah perkataan. Picture number 1 is a train, RM30 per person, seorang RM30. Arrive in Johor in 16 hours, 16 jam confirm sampai Johor. Enjoy the experience travelling by train. Enjoylah pengalaman naik train. Food is provided, makanan disediakan. Picture number 2 is an aeroplane, 200 per person, seorang 200. Okay, arrive in Johor in 1 hour 20 minutes, sampai Johor 1 jam 20 minit. Order food earlier or in the flight. Boleh pesan makanan awal-awal atau dalam flight and no stops, tak berhenti mana-mana. Okay. Picture number 3 is a car, free except for petrol, percuma kecuali minyak. Arrive in Johor in 8 hours, 8 jam sampai Johor. Can prepare food or eat in the car, boleh sediakan makanan atau makan dalam kereta. Stop whenever we want, boleh berhenti bila-bila masa. Okay? So based on the pictures just now, a train, an aeroplane and a car. So which one do you think the most suitable for you and your family to visit your grandmother who is sick in Johor? Nak lawat nenek sakit. So mana yang paling sesuai bagi awak? Okay. So these are the paragraphs that you need to fill in. Okay. So don't panic. We will learn how to write all this. Okay. Well, the first writing tips is you need to read and understand the question. Fahamkan soalan. So you're going to visit your grandmother who is sick in Johor. So nak lawat nenek sakit di Johor. Choose one means of transportation. Jadi dia kata pilih satu saja kenderaan. Jangan letak tiga-tiga, okay? Only choose one. So the second writing tips is you need to choose the right tense. So based on the question, it is stated that you are going. Awak baru nak pergi. So baru nak pergi belum terjadi lagi, right? So we will use present tense, okay? The third writing tips is you need to highlight the main ideas. What are the main ideas? Here, if you choose car, the main ideas are free except for petrol, arrive in Johor in 8 hours, can prepare food and stop whenever we want. So these are your main ideas, okay? Well, the third writing tips is you need to elaborate your content or your main ideas. Just now I talk about main ideas, right? So based on the main ideas, you elaborate a little bit. Kembangkan ayat atau huraikan ayat. For example, if your main point says free except for petrol, so what can you say about it? You can write, I can fill up the petrol anywhere. Saya boleh isi petrol dekat mana-mana sahaja. Okay, so this is the point that the examiners want to see, your own sentence and your idea. Okay, for example, arrive in 8 hours. So I still can visit my grandmother because the visiting hours start at 8 in the morning if I drive at 9. So saya boleh melawat nenek saya sebab waktu melawat start pukul 8 pagi. Jadi saya akan drive pada waktu malam, okay? Next, can prepare food and eat in the car. So awak boleh cakap, I can prepare food and drinks to be eaten in the car. So it would be easier, okay? So these are the examples on how you elaborate your content. So I am sure that you can write better because you have a lot of ideas in mind. Wow! Part 3, example of writing. Alright kids, we have come to the end of our lesson today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.